Hello and welcome to the demo of CloudArray Lightning Installer. The Lightning Installer is the rapid and easy way to deploy your CloudArray. This video assumes that you have your CloudArray licensing information. If not, this information can be obtained from your account on cloudarray.com. You have your cloud storage credentials, and that you have deployed the CloudArray virtual machine to your hypervisor. To get started, simply browse to the IP address of your CloudArray using a supported web browser. CloudArray will automatically detect that it's in an unconfigured state and launch the Lightning installer. Please click the arrow to proceed. Now, please enter your CloudArray license information. Now create a local administrator account and choose a password. Please click the arrow to proceed. You will now be presented with the license agreement. Please click Accept to proceed. You may choose to enable compression, deduplication, and encryption for your remote storage. Now select the type of storage you wish to connect to and provide your credentials. Click the arrow to proceed. You will see the following screen indicating that you have completed the base configuration. Click the arrow to proceed. You may now create your first CloudArray volume in the capacity you desire and optionally choose to map to the first iSCSI host that logs into CloudArray. Click Provision to continue and finish the Lightning installer. You may now click on the CloudArray control link to view or modify the configuration that you have created. Thank you.